Excelpoint was established in Singapore in 1987. Listed on the main board of Singapore Exchange in 2004, its business presence spans over 40 cities in more than 10 countries. In 2018, Excelpoint was ranked 13 on the top distributors list by EPS News, a U.S. premier news, information, and data portal and resource for global electronics and supply chain industries. At present, Excelpoint has more than 750 employees, and over 25% of them belong to technical departments. As a solutions and service provider rich in technical expertise and research capabilities, Excelpoint works closely with its principals to provide customers with high-quality products in the development of customized designs and solutions. Excelpoint currently has more than 30 product lines. The first authorized distributed product line was Analog Devices Inc., ADI. Spanning over 3 decades of collaboration, both companies have been accelerating their engineering excellence and knowledge in developing the next generation of technologies. ADI's engineering excellence in sensors, measurement, power, and connectivity for various industries, such as instrumentation, automation, communications, energy, healthcare, and automotive, combined with Excelpoint's strong technical support and value-added services, has helped solve many challenges in the technical engineering journey.
Welcome to our webinar today. I'm Alex Lim, Field Application Manager from Excelpoint Systems. Today our topic is about learn how mSure technology can maintain equipment health over the lifetime of grid infrastructure access. We introduce about Excelpoint. Excelpoint was established in 1987 and we have our headquarters in Singapore. We are one of the leading regional B2B platform which provide you a quality electronics component, engineering design services, and supply chain management. And we have more than 750 employees and over 25% of them are of technical team. For Excelpoint, our engineering team, we have 3 teams, which is R&D team, AE team, and FAE team. We support the customer with the reference design, firmware coding, hardware design, and also we will provide recommend technical solutions based on their system requirement. Besides that, we also support design review, troubleshooting, and debugging. So firstly, let's understand about the core technology system overview for energy and electric meter system. So first of all, for energy and electric meter system, it consists of current voltage sensing, analog front-end plus metrology engine, digital isolator, NCU, RF communication, and display monitor. So for analog front-end plus metrology engine, there are 3 main components inside. Firstly is the metering analog front end. So ADI offer an expanded feature which come with embedded DSP core, high performance ADC, advanced calculations including harmonic analysis. And it also comes with a fully isolated metering ADC. So this fully isolated metering ADC will enable you to have the shunt meters. Then finally, there is a very industry first mSure technology in measurement IC. So this mSure technology can help you to have a real-time accuracy monitoring for metering in field operations over the employment life, including the sensor. It also comes with advanced camper detections, auto calibrations, and data mining and analysis for metering population. Let's talk about the new trend of energy and electric meter system. There are three main scenarios. For the first scenario, which is no measurement is needed. Why is it so? Because the customer think that it's too expensive and they don't have the appetite. So for this kind of customer, what ADI can bring them the benefit? The ADI solution with auto calibrations is very easy to integrate measurement, and it is quite low cost, and because they don't need to use the costly equipment for calibration. Then for the second scenario, which is basic measurement is needed, normally about 5%, which is quite inaccurate. Why is it so? Because the customer, they need energy measurement, but they want to keep their cost low. So for this kind of customer, what value proposition can ADI bring to you? The main thing is the auto calibration technology can help you to achieve a higher accuracy and also without using any costly equipment. Then for the third scenario, for the customer who need an accurate measurement, which is around 1%, why do they need so? Because they need to have a building grade accuracy, and they have a calibration equipment. So for this kind of customer, what value proposition can ADI bring to you? Firstly is to save the labor cost, and also they can reduce the equipment cost by using the auto calibration feature of our measurement IC. ADE9153A is the very first IC from ADI that comes with mSure technology. With this innovative technology, ADE9153A enable you to have the self-calibration of the current and voltage measurement. Therefore, reference calibration current of voltage sources are not required. For the applications that do not require calibration today, typically the accuracy is about 5% to 10%. But because of the new requirement for Industry 4.0 and also energy saving initiative, most of these applications they now need a more accurate measurement, which is about 1%. However, the calibration equipment in the market now can easily cost more than $10,000, which is very expensive for this kind of applications. The good news now is ADE9153A self-calibration can deliver 1% accurate energy monitoring without the need to invest in reference calibration sources. So, you can easily meet the requirement for a higher accuracy for those applications without incurring a very much investment. Market now, for those material using the sham measurement method, they could face some issue over the time of use. One of the main issue is sham overheating. Why sham overheating will occur? There are mainly three main reasons causing the sham overheating, which is environmental conditions, high current, and poor in-case airflow. Sham overheating may result in unwanted error in the sham value, which will affect the accuracy of your metering system. With the innovative mSure technology, that will help you to enable the field diagnostic or change or grid from baseline factory calibration. This will help you to eliminate the need of sending your field application to calibrate the equipment on the spot, and you can do it over the cloud also. Let's look at the product overview of ADE9153A IC. The target applications are data center, smart lighting, and industrial IoT applications. There are three main benefits that this IC can bring to you, which is the first one, auto calibrations. It will help you to eliminate the money spent for reference maker and sources. Secondly, it offers you a highly accurate for Class 1 building grade measurement solutions. Thirdly, it is very easy to use, and we offer you a easy to use Arduino Shield EVK plan for rapid prototyping. Figure 1 shows you the typical application circuit. As you can see from here, this circuit is very simple and it is very easy to be designed. So let's talk about how does mSure enable cell calibrations. In the existing system in the market, almost all the solutions use open loop system. So you can see from here, open loop system, you can have the error from your sensor and also the gain error from your IC and also your ADC error. So the total error is equal to sensor error times your gain error times your ADC error. So from all these three components, the main contributor is the sensor. Therefore, for this kind of open loop system, calibration is required, which is very labor intensive because you need to do many manual steps, and also is very equipment intensive as you need to use a reference voltage and current source. However, for the innovative mSure technology, this system is a closed loop system. As you can see from here, this closed loop system we will have two more components which will introduce detections which is D error and also an internal reference which is R error. So this mSure servo control loop, they will traverse the metering signal change to measure and then self-calibrate current and voltage measurement. This can be done by having this conversion constant, which is a transfer function with a certainty ppm. As a result, we can have a very good accuracy established with mSure, and the accuracy may be stored as manufacturing for field comparison, and cell calibrations can be initiated in the field for diagnostic purposes. As you can see from the figure, mSure of ADE9153A system can work with shunt resistor, and also it can work with current transformer. So how does this work? Firstly, mSure signal simulated onto the sensor. This signal is generated from a very accurate and stable reference inside the IC. Then the IC will do the measurement. The measurement will contain the root signal and also the mSure signal. The internal IC will extract the mSure signal and identify them. After that, the signal will be amplified to be used to find the transfer function of the sensor and the front end. When this is done, the mSure signal was removed from the main metrology path. Besides that, the mSure signal can always be present. This allows for continuous tracking and also to monitor the change over lifetime. There are two main output parameters from mSure, which are conversion constant, which is the CC. These include the sensor and ADC channel transfer function. Second output parameter are estimation certainty, which is the metric of mSure measurement confidence. Let's talk about the mSure performance. So you can see from here, two mSure parameters will influence the accuracy of the per channel transfer function estimation, which are accuracy limit and the speed of convergence. So this is as illustrated by the graph showing at the right side. These two parameters together, they will decide the accuracy reached in specific time. For example, when you use the shunt resistor of 140 microohm, when your certainty is about 0.353%, it will need about 52 seconds for the calibrations, while it is about 180 seconds for an efficiency of 0.25%. If we increase the sham resistor value to 500 micro-ohm, you can see that the time is improved to 8 seconds with a efficiency of 0.353%, while it is about 14 seconds for efficiency of 0.25% with 500 micro-ohm sham resistor. As a result of that, the designer of the meter, you can have the flexibility to choose your desired efficiency and your desired sham resistor value. So you can have a very good balance between the time needed for the calibrations and the power loss occur in your sham resistor. Let's look at the feature overview of ADE9153A system. You can see from here, it can measure the active energy, fundamental reactive energy, apparent energy, VRNF and IRNF, and also the half circle of VRNF and IRNF. The measurement bandwidth is 1.6 kHz. On current channel A, you can have the energy and RMS value, while on current channel B, you can only have a RMS value. No energy will be computed on current channel B, only RMS measure on current transformer channel. Then we can have a 4K SPS waveform. The main feature of ADE9153A is the auto calibration with mSure, which we have explained earlier. mSure IC ADE9153A can support two types of communication, which are SPI and UART, and it also comes with a temperature sensor. ADE9153A compute fundamental reactive power energy in accordance with IDE 62053 24 class 1 and 0.5 requirement. With the large PGA gain setting out to 38.4 times on current channel A, this will allow you to use for a smaller shunt resistor, and this will help to reduce your power losses and increase your efficiency of your system. Let's look at the target applications for this IC. The first one is street lighting. So you can see from here, mSure will help to measure the energy consumption per port, and this market is very huge. It is estimated there are about 264 million street lights added over the next 10 years, and the smart lighting market, which is about 64 billion by year 2027. The second application is data center, where the energy efficiency is their main focus now. mSure will allow them to have a very high accuracy energy measurement, so that data center will be able to know and utilize the measurement result for having better understanding where the main energy consumption was from. With the increase in demand for the Industrial 4.0, the machine health now is a very important topic for all the automations. Therefore, the fault prevention is become very crucial. With the accuracy measurement of mSure can help them to enable them to have this fault prevention earlier. Finally, the smart plug is getting more popular now. ADE9153A system will allow you to have a very short time to market due to the ease of design and also auto calibration feature, which eliminate the use of a very costly equipment for the calibrations. Besides that, ADE9153 can also enable you to have a edge to cloud utility meter analytic solution. This can be done by pairing them with a different type of connectivity devices, such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NB-IoT, LoRa, and you can also have this analysis for a single device to observe the changes over the time. Besides that, you can also have it as a device net, as you can see from the graph shown at the right side. You can have a system to show you the health report and also the temper report. This will help to make your maintenance become easier and more effective. To support our customer to have a faster time to market design, Excelpoint Systems R&D team have helped to come out of mSure reference design. For this reference design, we support two kinds of connectivity, which are Bluetooth 5.0 and also NB-IoT connectivity. The key parts are ADE9153 mSure, secondly MSP QN9020, which is a 32-bit untargeted M0 core with Bluetooth. Then Synchron Sync 7000 series, which is a NB-IoT supported module. For this reference design, we will support you the full schematic, PCB layout and global file, board, reference source code, and also our local FAE will provide you a technical support and demonstration on site. The target applications are street lighting, data center, machine health, and also the smart plug. Please feel free to inform any one of us in your region. We will be very happy to support you for all your technical inquiry, and also we can arrange a session to demo this system at your site. Now we have come to the end of the webinar today. So please scan this QR code to provide your feedback and also to participate in our quiz. We appreciate much for your feedback, and also for those who participate in the quiz and answer correctly, free Amazon gift card of $100 will be given out as a lucky draw. I hope you can be the lucky draw winner. Thank you so much.